Good morning, students. Now I want to explain about the isomerism. In isomerism, there are two types. One is structural isomerism, another one is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism is there are chain, position, functional, tautomerism, ring chain, and metamerism. These are the isomers exist in the structural isomerism. Stereoisomerism, one is configurational, one is conformational. Configurational, there are two types, one is geometrical and optical. This you have to remember. Isomers, what is isomers? Same molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties. This is called as isomers. Those are called isomers. Next, first one is in structural isomerism. First one is chain isomerism. What is the chain isomerism? Same molecular formula but different number of carbons in main chain. Same molecular formula but different in number of carbon in main chain. That is existed as a chain isomerism. Very important. Remember, same molecular formula but different number of carbon atoms in main chain. If you take these 6 isomerism, what is the priority order? RTF MCP. Must remember RTF MCP. This is a shortcut. R means ring chain, first priority. Then T means tautomerism. F means functional. M means metamerism. C means chain. P means position. RTF MCP. Must be remember. This is the priority order of structural isomerism. Next, if you take alkane, methane, there is no exist 0. Ethane, propane, also 0 isomerism. Isomerism is start from C4H10 butane. This is having 2 isomers are exist. One is N-butane. Next, if you place the methyl group as second position, because what is the chain isomerism? The change in number of carbon atoms in main chain is different. 2-methyl propane, I also call as isobutane. These two are chain isomerism. That is called as they differ in the same molecular formula but different number of carbons in main chain. That's why these two are chain isomers. Must remember, very important. This is the priority order. You remember what is the difference, different types of isomerism, classification, what is isomers. Next, chain isomerism, what is means priority order, when which carbon there exists the isomers, and also further more number of carbons increases, then we identify the isomers. Thank you students. This is the first introduction.